For the introduction, this project is about developing a secure website for GrabHub Puchong to help the company manage GrabCar and GrabFood registration and reactivation in more organized way. So, what we're waiting for? Let's have a look of my website. This is a homepage, so like I learned in multimedia, the font, the color and layout must bring people interest and trust to register in the website. So when they look at it, so they see it as official and legit. This page acts as the main entry point for the user to access the GrabHub Puchong platform. It provides navigation, system introduction, and access to registration service in a clean and user-friendly interface. This is customer registration. So I learned that it is much more easier to have multi-structure step where it shows any error right away. So we have much more friendly and it will guide you much more properly. So this is my problem statement. So when the Google Sheet has too many numbers and you can accidentally delete it, it's not good in terms of cybersecurity in CIA. So this company is using Google Sheet, yeah? Second one is Google Sheet have many users working at the same time. So we cannot have that. We make headaches and duplicate entries and all that. So changing Google Sheet to website is a very challenging, like CRM based. So basically you have a lot of features, all customer data, you can read it, you can view it, you can manage it. If it's yours, you can manage it. If it's not yours, you can only read it. And my customer data, you can follow up, whether it's through WhatsApp or calls, up to you. But it's much more user friendly rather than Google Sheets, because they were using Google Sheets this whole time. And they have PSV calendar, and PSV obviously for PSV license. So it's much more easier to manage it. It's like Microsoft Teams. You can attend, reject, create classes and all that. And you have biodata. You can personalize your account. So I implement RBAC on this. Next one is the IT tag. This one have RBAC. So when you log in, you can see a whole lot of different dashboard features. As you can see, access denied. For IT tag, you can lock and unlock the account. Can create a staff account and can see a password reset request and see admin state availability. There's a whole lot of features and so little time to put inside. And look, there's a leave applications and boss can approve the leave applications. After being approved, the leave application, all the data for that admin will be transferred to the one admin that's available, since that admin is on leave. So the riders or customer won't be leave hanging, So you have proper data handling for these systems. And have audit trails. This is cybersecurity oriented, where we can download, export the CSV and see all the severity, what have happened in that system, who pressed this, how many people inside. And we can see in tag setting, duplication and all that. Now moving to boss. We have three roles: IT tag, admin and boss. Boss one have so many features. You can see the admin performance. You can see the whole lot of workflow of going on. You can see how many people are assigned, how many people are oversight right now. And round robin assignment is where the customer heading. For example, you have 3 admin, how the next customer going to get. So for example, admin 1 will receive the next customer, and then admin 2 and then admin 3, and he can personalize it however he want. And this is the forget password features I put, where it requests and is sent to the boss, and the boss will create the password and send it to the lost password, the admin 1 but lost password. And then we see it show up set your new password. It's same like create new account. They also have this UI where you need to create your own password. So I put a whole lot of input validation. You cannot put the same password. You must put a 8 character, uppercase, lowercase and all that. And look at this. Have whole lot of report analytics, graphics, all the analytics, performance review. You can see that. And I create this using a Superbase, and Superbase have a whole lot of features that I can use, make it much more easier and much more oriented. Look at that. database relationship, my policies, my users authentications, and the age function. And if I have any error, I can look at a security advisor. And this is where I host the website using Lovable. Lovable not only hosts my website, we also can create the website from there. And it can also, this is what I love about this, it can have a security scanning also inside. And I can check every dependencies, each one of it, and download the list. And this is client request. You want to see web traffic, SEO, and all that. So that not only they can work from home, office, on your phone. This is cloud-based, you can work anywhere. That's all for me. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you give me great marks.